Hello viewers, welcome to today's lesson. This is Form 1 Mathematics, specifically under commission. Before we start, if you have just come across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe so that anytime we produce a video like this, you will automatically be notified. Back to our topic of the day, which is commission. Commission is an agreed rate of payment that is usually paid to the sales agents, that is the salesmen and the sales ladies, for the goods they sell on behalf of the company. How do we calculate commission? To get commission, commission is usually given by the rate over 100, because rate is usually expressed as a percentage, then we multiply by the sales that these people have made. That is the formula we use to calculate commission for the people who are only paid commission. But sometimes somebody can be employed by the company of which he is paid a monthly basic salary, and on top of that he is paid a commission. Those people earn what we call total earnings, and for us to get total earnings, we take the basic salary, that is the basic salary, then we add what we call commission. So to get the total earnings for the people who are given the monthly salary, and on top of that they are given commission, then their total earnings will be equal to basic salary to add commission. That is, if you are given total earnings and you are given the basic salary and you need commission, then total earnings minus basic salary to get commission. And in this case, if you need basic salary, given total earnings and the commission, take total earnings minus commission to get basic salary. For us to be able to understand how commission and total earnings are calculated, let us look at some few questions so that we can be able to understand fully how these questions are done. Going to our question number 1, a sales agent is paid 15% commission on goods sold. In 1 month, he sold goods worth 150,000 shillings. How much was he paid? Let us look at that question. The first thing we have from the question is, we have the rate of commission. The rate is actually 15%. Then we have the total sales. Total sales is shilling 150,000. What we need to calculate is the commission. We know that commission is equal to the rate over 100, we multiply by the sales. Therefore, our commission is going to be equal to the rate, which is 15. 15% means 15 out of 100. Then we multiply by 150,000, and this one gives us Kenya shillings 22,500, and that is our commission for third person. Let us go to our question number 2. And our question number 2 is as follows. Going on to the second question. A sales lady earns a basic salary of 25,000. She is also paid a commission of 12% on goods sold above 70,000. During a certain month, she sold goods worth 250,000 shillings. How much did she earn that month? For us to work out this question, we need to analyze what we are given. We have been given the basic salary, and the basic salary there is 25,000. That is 25,000. Then we are also given a commission of 12% on anything above 70,000. So we have 12% commission. above 70,000, then we are given the value of goods sold. And the value of goods sold is 250. The value of goods sold is actually shilling 250,000. This question is very simple because we already have the basic salary, we have the commission, and the commission is usually going to be calculated on anything above 70,000. On anything above 70,000. Now, what we are going to begin with, let us calculate the goods above 70,000. Now, value of goods let me say value of goods above 70,000 will be equal to 250,000 minus 70,000, so that we get the goods which we are going to use to calculate commission. If you take 250, you minus 70,000, you are going to have 180,000. This is the only value of the goods which are above 70, and this is what we are going to use to calculate commission. And therefore, straight away, to get commission, we know we take the rate, we divide by 100, then we multiply by the sales. In this case, our rate is 12% over 100. We multiply by 180,000, and this one is going to give us a commission that is equal to, that is 12%. We multiply by 180,000, and this one is going to give us 21,600 Kenya shillings. That is commission alone. Since this person is also given a basic salary, we are going to calculate the total earnings, and we know to get total earnings, we take the basic salary, we add commission. We take basic salary, we add commission. Our basic salary has been given as 25,000. Then we add our commission, which is 21,600, and the total amount here is going to be 25,000 plus 21,600, and this one is going to give us 46,600 Kenya shillings, and that is the answer to that question. Going to our question number 3, assessed lady earns a basic salary of shillings 36,500. She also gets a 5% commission on goods sold above 80,000. On April 2015, she was paid a total of shillings 49,000. What was the total value of goods sold that month? So what we have been given from the question is the basic salary. And we know that the basic salary is how much? It is 36,500. She also gets a 5% commission. So we have 5% commission on goods above 8,000, on goods above 80,000. We also have the total earnings. We have the total earnings, and the total earnings is 49,000. 49,000. So what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate the total value of goods. To get the total value of goods, we are going to first get our commission. So, to get commission first, because for us to get the total value of goods sold, we must get the value of goods that gave us the commission. So for us to get commission, we take total earnings minus what we call the basic salary. Our total earnings is 49,000 minus our basic salary of 36,500. 500, and this gives us how much in Kenya shillings? That is 49,000 minus 36,500, and this one gives us a commission of 12,500. A commission of 12,500. And this commission that we have was at the rate of 5%. That is to say, our 5% rate of commission is equal to our commission of 12,500. If 5% is equivalent to 12,500, what about 100%? 100% is going to be equal to what? If we cross multiply, we are going to get 100 times 12,500. We divide by 5%, and this one is going to be equivalent to Kenya shillings. That is times 100 divided by 5. And here we are going to get that is 12,500. We multiply by 100. We divide by 5, and this one is going to give us 250,000 Kenya shillings. So the 250,000 Kenya shillings are the goods that gave us a commission of 5%. But now for us to get the total value of goods, it means this 250 is actually the value of goods above 80,000. So to get the true value of goods now will be equal to the value of goods that gave us a commission of 5% plus the minimum, because 250 was above 80,000, so we have to add 80,000 here so that we can get the total value of goods that this sales lady made during that month of April. That is 250. We add 80,000, and this one is going to give us Kenya shillings 330,000, and that is the question to that answer. Going to our question number 4, which is going to be our last question under this topic. A saleswoman is paid a commission of 2% on goods worth over 100,000. That is a commission. She is also paid a monthly salary of Kenya shillings 12,000. In a certain month, she sold goods. She sold 360 handbags, each 500 Kenya shillings. The first bit of the question is calculate the saleswoman's earnings that month. Then part B, the following month, the saleswoman's monthly salary was increased by 10%. His total earnings that month were equivalent to Kenya shillings 17,600. You are supposed to calculate the total amount received from the sale of handbags that month, and of course, Roman 2, the number of handbags sold that month. So if we can look at the solution for this question, the first thing we are given is a commission. We are given 2%. We are given 2% commission on sales above Kenya shillings 100,000. Another thing we know about this sales lady is that she's paid a monthly basic salary. We have the basic salary of Kenya shillings 12,000, and then we also know that she sold 360 handbags, so we can be able to get the total sales. To get total sales, she sold 360 handbags, and each was 500 Kenya shillings, and this one will give us a total of that is 360. We multiply by 500. This gives us a total of 180,000. So those 360 handbags times 500 each will give us a total of 180,000. But we know from the question that she is given a 2% commission on anything above 100,000. So let us get the value of goods above 100,000. That is above 100,000. This one is going to be equal to 180,000 total sales minus the minimum 100,000, so that we can get the amount or the value of goods that is going to give us commission, and the value of goods which are entitled to commission is 80,000. From there we can be able to calculate commission straight away. How do we calculate commission? Commission is given by the rate, which is 2%. 2% means 2 out of 100. We multiply by the value of the goods which are above 80,000, and this one here gives us how much? If you take 2% of 80,000, you get 1,600 Kenya shillings. So this is the first question we are working on. The question is on total earnings. To get total earnings, we know total earnings are given by the basic salary, which we have as 12,000. We add our commission of 1,600, and this one gives us a total of 13,600, and this is what this lady got that month. That is part A, which is giving us 13,600. Let us go to our part B. Allow me to remove this part that we have already worked out, so that we can be able to work out part B of the question. Part B has two sections. That is, we have Roman 1 and Roman 2. So the following month, the saleswoman's monthly salary was increased by 10%. What we need to calculate straight away is the new salary. And how do we get the new salary? If the old salary is 100% and she has been given an increment of 10%, it means now she's earning 110%. That means 110 out of 100 we multiply by the old salary, which is 12,000. This one is going to give us a total of 13,000. That is 110%. We multiply by 12,000. Our new salary is going to be equal to 13,200. That is the new monthly salary after the increase. Then we are given his total earnings. We are given her total earnings. This should be her total earnings. Since we are talking about the sales lady, her total earnings were 17,600. Total earnings we have as that is 17,600. So once we have total earnings and our basic salary, automatically what is missing is commission. So we calculate commission straight away. So to get commission, we take the total earnings, which is 17,600. We minus the basic salary of 13,200, and this one is going to translate to Kenya shillings 4,400. That is our commission. And we know that commission there is actually equivalent to 2%. So we can say 2% commission is giving us a total of Kenya shillings 4,400. Let us get the total amount of goods that gave us a commission of 4,400, and that is 100%. So 100% will be equal to what? If we cross multiply, we are going to have 100 times 4400. We divide everything by 2%, and this one here is going to give us Kenya shillings. That is 220,000. That is 220,000. 220,000 is the value of the goods that gave us a commission of 4,400. But what is the question asking? The total amount received from the sale of handbags that month. To get the total sales, remember, whatever we have here is what is above 100,000. So to get the total sales that month, we are going to get the value of goods that gave us commission. We add the minimum, which is 100,000, and this one is going to give us a total of Kenya shillings 320,000, and that is what this lady sold from the handbags. That is B. Roman 1 already worked out. To get Roman 2 of the question, we are supposed to calculate the total number of handbags sold that month. So to get the number of handbags, we are going to take the total amount of money that was sold from the handbags. Then we divide by the price of each handbag, which is 500. And if you talk about 320,000, you divide by 500, we are going to get 640 handbags. That is the answer to the last question. And in case you have questions that you like us to clarify, kindly feel free to go to the comment section. Send your requests and we shall be able to address them accordingly. Otherwise, thank you for watching.